This is a repair of a TC-50pu54 Panasonic TV. It was given a 8 standby error code, which means it's the SS board. The SS board is to the right. The culprit is the transistor to the right there on that heat sink. There also is a power IC that you don't actually have to. So I just got the package today from shopjimmy.com, and they gave the repair kit for the TXN SS1D DU, and this is what they have inside the box. They have one surface mount resistor, which is 5.6 ohms. They have some lock mount screws because many times the screws on it, they don't have a good grounding, so these have lock nuts on it. Has one IC chip. This is, I think, to drive the they have one transistor, so this guy for sure I know is broken, and they have one diode switching, power diodes. There's 2 diodes in there, so I'm going to be replacing that. Here's the actual TV. You can see the board there. I have to remove that. So right now I've taken the SS board out, and I'm going to be desoldering the power transistor. It's a DG302 power transistor. So this is the transistor. It's a DG302. I have already replaced that one there. I'm just using some pliers to bend the legs there so that it can fit in the holes. I believe the middle one is the drain, the left one is the gate, and the right one is the emitter. When you put on the new transistor, put some thermal paste behind it. I use some heat sink thermal paste used for CPUs. So I put the screw on there and then just bent the legs and soldered the legs on the bottom. Make sure that it's a good solder connection. I found out that the diode that I put in, it didn't have a good solder connection, so the heatsink was heating up, so I had to double check the connections. So that was the problem, was this power transistor right there wasn't connected properly. This one was blown, and now I can touch this and it's not very hot at all. And using the temperature gun, I'm getting about 26 degrees. Before, again, the transistor wasn't connected to the diode, so it was heating up. And there's the working TV. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you have more, you can go to newsonselectronics.com and scroll on over and check out my repair blog. Okay? Talk to you next time.